Today we're going to be looking at how to divide using long division. To show this, we're going to divide 292 by 12. Now, the first thing that we have to do is we have to set up this division problem. And to do this, we need to figure out which of these two numbers is our dividend, or which of these two numbers is the one that's being divided. Well, in this case, 292 is our number that's being divided, so we're going to write our dividend of 292, and then we're going to place our division bar up top. Now that leaves us with our divisor, or the number that's doing the actual dividing, which in this case happens to be 12. So we're going to write our divisor to the left and on the outside of our division bar. Now that we've set up this division problem, we can start working through the division steps from left to right. And we can see our division steps up top in yellow, and our first step is to divide. So we can't make a group of 12 out of 2, so we're going to move from left to right, and now we're going to think, how many groups of 12 can we make out of 29? Well, we know that we can make 2 whole groups of 12 out of 29, so we're going to write a 2 above the 9 to show that we've divided 29 by 12, and then we're going to move on to the next division step and multiply 2 times 12. Well, when we multiply 2 times 12, we get 24, so we're going to write 24 down below, and then we're going to move on to the next division step, which is to subtract 24 from 29. Well, that's going to leave us with 5, so we're going to write our 5, and then we're going to move on to the next division step, which is to bring down the digit that's immediately to the right of the place that we've just divided, giving us 52. Now we're going to repeat the division steps, except this time we're thinking, how many equal groups of 12 can we make out of 52? Well, we know that we can make 4 equal groups of 12 out of 52, so we're going to write our 4 up top above the 2, and then we're going to move on to the next division step and multiply 4 times 12, which we know gives us 48, so we're going to write 48 down below, and then we're going to subtract 48 from 52. Well, that's going to leave us with 4 left over, but then we can't move on to the next division step because there's no numbers to bring down. And since we're not going into the decimal places, we're done with this division problem. But we do need to account for the 4 parts that are left over remaining. So we're going to account for those by writing an R for remainder and then a 4 beside it. So when we divide 292 by 12, we get the quotient of 24 with a remainder of 4. So hopefully by now you understand how to divide using long division. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.